The James Webb Space Telescope, also known as JWST, is a much-anticipated successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. Scheduled to launch in October 2021, it is set to become the largest and most powerful telescope ever launched into space. Here are 5 amazing facts about this revolutionary telescope. The Webb telescope is designed to observe the universe in infrared light, which will allow it to see through the dust clouds that obscure our view of the universe. This ability to observe in infrared light is important because it will allow us to see the universe in a whole new way. It will enable us to study the formation of the first galaxies and stars, and to observe the formation of planetary systems. The Webb telescope is incredibly powerful, with a mirror that is over 6 times larger than the Hubble Space Telescope. With a mirror that measures 6.5 meters in diameter, the JWST will be able to collect much more light than the Hubble Space Telescope. This means it will be able to see farther back in time and observe fainter objects than ever before. The Webb telescope is incredibly complex, with a sunshield that is the size of a tennis court. The JWST is a feat of engineering, with a sunshield that is the size of a tennis court. This sunshield is designed to protect the telescope from the heat of the sun and keep it operating at the incredibly low temperatures required for infrared observations. The Webb telescope will be located at a special point in space called the second Lagrange point, or L2. The L2 point is a special location in space that allows the telescope to remain in a fixed position relative to the Earth and the Sun. This means that the telescope won't have to use any fuel to maintain its position, and it can remain in operation for many years. The Webb telescope is a collaborative effort between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. The JWST is truly an international effort, with NASA leading the mission and the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency providing critical components for the telescope. This collaboration has resulted in a telescope that will transform our understanding of the universe. With the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, we are on the cusp of a new era of astronomical discovery.